This is just an update on the short Stubby pressure washer gun. I've got it on a quick release. I think this is around about £60. I've had it for about a year now. I think the company or the manufacturer is Waspper. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Yeah, it's done okay. It's definitely a lot easier to use, especially if you're doing car balloting in tight spaces, other than using a long lance. It's faring up quite well. I've had no sort of issues with it, any cracks or anything going on or anything breaking on it. It's definitely well worth getting. It's got the quick release, as you can see there, which it comes with, which I've got a nozzle on, which is handy because I can take that nozzle off and then put on a snow foamer. It didn't come with a quick release this end. I had to, I think it's M22, I had to buy that separately, so it's just easier to swap over between this and my longer lance if I need to use it. But I think since buying this, I think I've only used my longer lance twice. It's just so easier, so much better to use. The thing is with the Kranzel, because I've got a Kranzel K7, the spray pattern, obviously it's got a fixed nozzle, it doesn't detach. I mean, you may be able to buy one, I don't know, but the actual spray pattern on it is quite small, whereas this, because I've got the green attachment on it, nozzle, the spray pattern is much wider, which is better really for me anyway. I find it's a lot easier to wash cars down with a wider spray pattern than quite a sort of narrow spray pattern. So there we go. After 1 year, it's still doing all right. No issues with it at all. Got this off of Amazon, so I think it was about £60, £59. If you haven't got one, it's definitely worth buying. I mean, the build quality, this is actually quite similar to one that the Kranzel make, very similar in design to theirs. I'm not sure. I think the cost might be similar, might be a little bit more with the Kranzel one, I don't know. There we go, just an update on the short Stubby pressure washer gun. It's doing very well after 1 year. I'll try and put the link in to the Amazon page in the description if I can. There we go. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Please do consider subscribing to the channel. Take a look around at the uploads, it'd be very much appreciated. Thank you.